Assalamualaikum guys! Welcome to Spicy Kitchenary. Today I'm making a very special dish that's Onoo Khaw Suey. It's a Burmese dish, so let's get started. I'm adding half a cup of oil in a pot, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste in it, mix it and let it fry for 2 minutes. Then add 2.5 lbs of boneless chicken pieces. Fry it for a few minutes. Add salt according to your taste. Here I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in it. Mix it well and fry it until all the water dries up. You can add water according to your servings. Here I am adding 7 to 8 cups of water. This much of water will be enough for 8 to 10 servings. Let it boil. Let's make our gram flour paste using water. I'm taking 6 to 7 tablespoons of gram flour and adding half a cup of water in it. Mix it well until it's smooth or blend it using a blender. Our gram flour paste is ready. Add gram flour paste in boiling water and stir it continuously until it reaches its boiling point. After adding gram flour paste, don't cover the pot with lid, otherwise the curry will spill out and make a mess. And let it simmer for 20 minutes uncovered. Then add 2 chicken cubes mashed so it can be dissolved in the curry. If you're not comfortable using chicken cubes, then add chicken broth instead of water. I'm adding finely grated coconut, 1 cup. Mix it well. Then add coconut milk, 1.5 cups. This dish is called Onoo Khaw Suey just because we add coconut in it. In Burmese, Onoo means coconut. I'm using 10 small onions or according to the servings. I'm adding whole onions smaller in size. You can also add large onion, just cut it into 4 pieces, then add in curry. It serves 8 to 10 people. Let's make our spaghetti. I'm adding 1/3 cup of oil in water, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, I'm using 2 packs of spaghetti, 16 oz each. Give it a good mix so the spaghettis don't stick together. Our spaghettis are ready. Let's prepare our toppings. I'm taking some oil in a pan for frying. Add 1 large onion thinly sliced. Let it fry until golden in color. Take it out and let it cool down. Fry some spaghettis in the same oil and let it crisp. As you can see, our spaghettis are almost done. Take it out and crush it into small pieces. I'm taking 5 hard-boiled eggs and cut it into pieces. Let's prepare chili paste. Add 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Then add 2 tablespoons of chili powder in it. Stir it well until bubble appears. Then immediately turn off the flame. Let it cool down. Our toppings are ready. Let's add them to the spaghetti. Chicken and coconut curry. Add prepared chili paste, as much as you want or as little as you want. Top it off with fried spaghetti. Add some fried onions to it. I'm adding hard-boiled egg pieces. If you don't like eggs, you can just skip it. It's totally up to you. Sprinkle it with some cilantro. You can add lime, lemon or vinegar. Our Onoo Khaw Suey is ready. I hope you all like it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.